Welcome to the scrapyard. Um, Yesterday, under the influence of my ADD medication and a couple of really strong espressos, I shot a bunch of paint. um, I got the dog catcher Willys yellow on it. I tell you what, that 55-year-old paint them lays down good. I repainted the old Tom competition coupe, and just for the hell of it, I started on one of these Topolinos. Got a lot done on it, really. Ain't much to it, but so we'll be seeing that in the next little bit. Anyway, I want to enter the small scale group build. I have a 32nd scale Lindbergh 37 Chevy here. It was just some traffic coming a lot. It's not started, but we'll see what I do with that. And yeah, I just wanted to tell y'all about the little mouse here. I'm gonna try to build the green box art build off the metal tin. Hang on. Yeah, this one here. This guy uses those Furious Fiat decals and the green body. That'll be cool. But yeah, I'm still thinking about hosting a Model T group build. What response I've had towards it has been, fairly positive. I know right now what everybody's talking about being too many group builds and everything, this might not be the best time to start one, but like I said, I'm still considering it. If I do, it'll be at the end of the month, and probably run for 6 months. I mean, everybody's got a Model T or two, or should have. Well, anyway, that's what's going on right now. Like, subscribe, send it to your brother, share it around. Maybe we'll eventually get to 500 here. Y'all have a good day. Bye.